Hello friend, welcome to my channel Healthy Book. Today I brought a specific topic about the deadliest disease, that is cancer and the free radicals, and I feel to live happy, healthy and successful life, every individual should know about this, the basic information how the cancer is developing in our body. Along with this, we will know not only cancer, other chronic diseases like heart attack, thyroid, diabetics, Alzheimer's and many other chronic diseases is caused because of these free radicals. So before starting this video, I request everybody, this channel is new, so please like, subscribe and share this with your friends, and this information is very important for every individuals to know to lead the healthy life. I will cover this video by taking the 4 main points. First one is free radicals and the production of the free radicals. Second one is oxidative stress. Third one is damage by the oxidative stress and the free radicals. Fourth one is antioxidant. So let's start about the what is free radicals. Free radicals are atom, molecule or any chemical species which has unpaired electrons on the outermost orbit or odd number of electrons on the outermost orbit. For better understanding, here I have taken an atom of oxygen. In oxygen atom, as the picture shows, there are 2 orbits are there, inner orbit and outermost orbit. Inner orbit there are 2 electrons, outer orbit there are 3 pairs, 6 electrons are there. So in this case, the oxygen atom is not free radical, it's a balanced and stable oxygen atoms. But due to some reason, if the oxygen atom loses 1 electrons from the outermost orbit, then the same oxygen atom becomes free radicals. Again repeating, the same oxygen atom becomes the free radical, and this free radicals becomes very reactive and very harmful for our body. Now we will discuss the production of the free radicals. Free radical production is a natural phenomena of our body to produce free radicals. There are 2 main factors that triggers free radical production in our body. One is internal factor, another is external factor. Now we will discuss the internal factor. Internal factor is carried out by the mitochondria. As we know, the mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria's main job is to carry out the cellular respiration systems inside the cell and takes nutrient from the cell and convert energy, that is ATP, and that energy is used by the cell to carry out different functions inside the cell. But here 98% time the mitochondria does its job successfully without any fail. 2% time it fails to produce properly the energy, and mitochondria does not perform properly, and that 2% failure of the mitochondria produce the free radicals inside the cell. So this is how the internal factor causes the production of the free radical in our body. Now the second point is external factor that triggers production of the free radical in our body. Some of them exposing to air pollution and smokes. Even our kitchen smokes are more harmful than the outside factory pollution, and polluted water, taking too much of refined sugars, processed food which has high amount of the food preservative and food colors, hydrogenated refined oil and the dalda, drinking too much alcohol and cold drinks, cigarette smoking and tobacco chewing, doing too much of exercise. Here we should remember, doing less exercise is good for health, but doing excess exercise, too much of exercise in gym, that triggers a lots of free radical in our body. Taking too much of mental stress, exposed to radiation and doing no physical activity, like this many other factors are there that trigger the production of free radical in our body. So it's a request, so please be away and keep your kids and family away from this kind of factors and help them to produce less free radical in their body. Now we will know about the oxidative trace. As we know, free radicals are very reactive and unstable atom or molecules because they have lost one electron from the outermost orbit, or they have odd number of electrons on the outermost orbit. To become stable, they always try to grab for electrons, and they always try to pull electrons from the nearest atom or nearest molecule. By this pulling each other, the free radicals are pulling each other from the healthy atom or healthy molecules. One situation creates that situation called the oxidative trace. If the oxidative trace are high, then inside our body one war situation creates, and that becomes a chain reactions. And because of that kind of chain reaction is burning like anything inside our body and damage all the tissue cell inside our body. So that becomes huge, and that is named as oxidative trace damage. As shown in the picture, the free radical how the pulls the electron from the others and how the damage is happening. So this damage is happening while watching this video. Definitely this is happening inside our body, but in a limit. So this damage, the free radical damage, is keep on happening each and every moment, every hours and every day till the end of our life. How the free radical damage happens to a particular cell. If the free radicals are higher in our body, then it will damage the cell membranes, means the outer wall of the cell. It will damage the cytoplasmic protein which is inside on the other cell organelles which is inside the cell. Then it will damage the nuclear membranes of the cell, and it will damage the DNA of the cell. Once the DNA is damaged, then the game is over. Again, the DNA will get repaired if the proper environment is available, proper antioxidants are available inside the cell. Otherwise, the DNA is damaged, then it will start mutating. Mutating means changing, and that mutation will happen stage by stage as shown in these pictures. And finally, one situation will come: the abnormal growth of the mutated cell will grow, and it will lead to the tumors. Sometimes it may diagnose as the cancer. Here I give an example of one cell of our body. There are trillions and trillions of different types of cells are there. If the free radicals are higher in our body, then the free radicals are not only responsible for the cancer growth, it is responsible for aging. Aging means your age is 25 but your actual age is 25 but you looks 35 or more than that. Thyroid, diabetic, arthritis, coronary heart disease, that is cardiovascular related disease, heart related problem, neurological disorders, high BP, stroke, retinopathy, eye related problem, and many other chronic disease. So don't worry, no need to fear. If our body has the capability to produce the free radicals, then God has given another way to reduce the production of the free radicals, and that is called the solution of all this problem, that is called the antioxidants, or you can say the antioxidant. So what is antioxidant? Antioxidants are chemical species or molecule that antioxidants carry lots of electrons as shown in this picture, and antioxidants are always happy and they are ready to donate electrons to the unstable atoms or to the free radicals. So once the free radicals to contact with the antioxidants, then they get electrons, and the free radical create paired electrons or even number of electrons on the outermost orbit and become stable. So here antioxidant act as a donors, free radical act as a receivers. If we have lots of antioxidant, then we can decrease the production of free radicals in our body. We should know the sources of antioxidant, how to get the antioxidants. It's very easy. There are different sources of the antioxidants. Vitamins, in vitamin A, C, E, minerals, copper, zinc, manganese and selenium. There are some proteins are there. There are enzymes. There are 3 kinds of enzymes are also there, that is produced by our own body to fight with the free radical damages. Then the phytochemicals or the plant compound. Those are lycopene, isoflavonoid, flavonoids and luteins. So the best way, eat all kinds of colorful fruits and vegetables in the raw form. You will get a lots of antioxidant and you will have the balance of antioxidant free radicals, so you can reduce and you can live healthy, happy and successful life, and you can provide healthy, happy and successful life to your family. For kitchen we have ingredients, those are rich in antioxidant: black pepper, kali mirch, coriander leaves, dhania patta, turmeric, haldi, basil leaf, tulsi leaves, green chilli, hari mirch, ginger, adrak. So these ingredients of these masalas are high in antioxidants. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.